Today, I'm going to briefly explain about my journey as well as the research and innovation that we carry out at Amrita Motion Lab. So we deal with something known as 6P. So we emphasize on product development, the first P, where we encourage our students and fellow colleagues to come up with product development and innovation. To name a few products, we have something known as RobKinLib, Robot Kinematics Library. We also ventured into hardware of serial manipulator, which can be used for teaching purposes. The second P is patent. So we have applied for a patent for serial chain modular robotic manipulator, which can be used to teach and learn robotics concepts effectively. Once we have a patent, we look at the third P, which is nothing but projects. So from our whatever products we already have, we pitch in to industry both in national and international level and try to get their funding. So for example, the RobKinLib has funding from MTAB, a company in Chennai, and also to Alpha TKG, which is a company from Tokyo, Japan. And we also have a recent collaboration with Orangewood, a Noida-based company, which also is developing made in India serial robotic arm, and we are in talks with them for development of similar technology. We also have collaboration with a company called OnCell, which deals with propagation of FreeCAD software as an effective tool for teaching CAD and computer graphics. We have more than 50 lakhs of committed funding from all these companies, and we look forward for more in the near future. So these are our 3Ps, the first 3P. So obviously we need people or personnel to work on them. So we encourage our students to come to this lab even after the working hours. So any student across the campuses are also welcome to come here, work on these funded projects and help us in the deliverables of these projects. So of these 4P, the fifth P is, let's say, promotion. So promotion means we need to have an outreach to an ecosystem that is surrounding us. So one of the outreach activity is Amrita Nurture workshop on robotics and drones. So we got funding from iHub Foundation for Robotics, that is a unit in IIT Delhi, to the tune of around 8 lakhs. And these students who were involved in the Amrita Nurture program were instrumental in delivering session to the students of school around our campus. So we were able to train around 220 or 230 students across 3 days workshop that we conducted in the recent past. In addition to these, we also let our students participate in competitions of national and international level. So for example, DD Robocon is a competition where our students have built a robot so that they can take part in different activities. So having said that, we are also having the sixth P. So that means whatever we do, it has to be documented well. What better way than publishing all these findings in reputed journal and conferences. So Amrita encourages all of us to publish in these avenues, and they also support us by funding us to travel to national and international conferences so that we can take our work to a wider audience. So these are the 6 P's that we have. At Amrita, we give a lot of importance on quality education, and one of the ways to achieve that is through a good pedagogy concept. So we have developed a serial modular robotic arm, so where different components can be assembled to get a serial manipulator. So with all these, I would like to welcome all of you to this particular lab, and we look forward for active collaboration and teamwork from your side. Thank you. ధన్యవాదాలు.